Welcome again. Imagine ordering a pizza and asking only for the toppings you want. No mushrooms, extra olives. That's how GraphQL works. It let you ask for just the data you need, nothing extra. GraphQL is a query language designed to make APIs flexible and efficient. Instead of getting fixed data like Rust, you define exactly what your app needs, like choosing your pizza toppings. With GraphQL, no more asking for a full pizza combo when you only want a slice. It avoids loading unnecessary data, speed up apps, and lets you get multiple things in one request. Here is a real example. This query asks for a username and email, and that's all you get. No extra baggage, just what you order, like a custom pizza built your way.